Hi! Welcome to Norris Meadows, St. Thomas. Are y'all ready for this? Remember we told y'all St. Thomas is gonna be booming, alright? So we're at Norris Meadows, St. Thomas. This is a community with 18 houses that are highly customizable. What does that mean? It means that you can pick your number of bedrooms that you require, you can pick the number of bathrooms that you require, you can customize whether you want to go upstairs, downstairs. The list goes on, alright? So these units are highly customizable. This particular unit that we are at right now is already sold. I can't get that one here. Sorry. But the owners preferred it this way. We have 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, come show. Better show. These particular units start at $28 million. Remember, customizable. So you pick and choose what you want, what you can afford, that's very unique. Okay guys, so as I was mentioning, this unit is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and this particular unit has a carport. So with this carport you can enter in. So your porch, patio, you can enter into your patio from this direction. And yeah, they have windows in this carport, which is really one of those features that you can also look forward to if you so desire. Come on guys, let me show you all the juicy details. So we're now at the patio. And as you can see, it's a nice decent space for you to hang out and take in some of the cool breeze. Boy, the breeze is cool out here. The breeze is really cool and kicking. So let me carry you inside. Come on. So this is inside, and as you enter inside, you'll see the AAA grade porcelain tiles that are here. They are shining, like you can see yourself in these tiles, alright? We have our base moldings that are in gray, and we have our bedroom number 2 to the right, and our primary bedroom to the left. Let me finish showing you in here first. Come on, with carry me to the place a little bit. So in the living room, we have our recessed lighting, and we have a big recessed lighting. We also have a fan for ventilation and a bit of sprucing up of the place, the interior decor. What I do like about this particular space here is that you have a really good space that you can use for actual conversation purposes. So you can have your sofas right here that you can talk and entertain and all these nice things. You have your walkway that doesn't necessarily interfere with your talking that's going on over here or your socializing. You also have space that you can have your dining area. So you can always add your nice dining table right here. Especially like when we were younger, my mom used to always have us around the dining table. Like that's an experience that you want for your family. It can be right here as well. Now we're in the kitchen. The kitchen is actually a pretty good size. The kitchen is a good size. Like you can't go away from that. It's a really good size. In fact, if you are creative, you can add something right here. I'm getting the vibe that something can go right here. Like a little island, a nice little table. Those tall tables that you can carry in the living room as well can be added right here. So to distinguish the kitchen from the rest of our common area right here, we have this beam that comes right down, which I actually do like. There's some amount of privacy, but still you have this open concept that you're working with. Right away, the kitchen beam, you see? I like it. So you can even add a little island here, or you can can add a nice little table here that you can host persons in the kitchen for meals, or you can add a workstation. But this particular unit is 2,050 square feet. The unit at Norris Meadow starts from 1,450 all the way up to 3,250 square feet. So have your pick, choose what you want. Alright? I actually like that concept. Choose what you want. I like when places are customizable. You know? So when places are customizable, you get to basically make it into your dream home. Make it exactly what you want instead of getting one box that everybody else gets. You know? One thing that everybody else gets. You can customize it to fit your family, your needs, and your desires. That's what we want. That's what we ultimately want, right? Alright, so let's look at the other features of this kitchen. So we have some accent tiles right here, running all the way around the kitchen. As you can see, we have acrylic cupboards with the handles right here that is easy for you to open and it is soft close. Yup. So with these acrylic countertops, we're told that you won't get pests or termites eating them like chichi. Everyone know in Jamaica, them chichi there? Yes. Not going to eat your cupboards and water won't soak through, right? So that is actually very important, especially for these cupboards down here. So in these cupboards, this particular cupboard right here is a slide out, and I like it. So you can organize your utensils right here. Very nice. So we have our quartz countertop, and below it we have our microwave slot. Of course, optional, and customizable, customize away, okay, customize away. We have our storage area as well below right here, perfect for pots, I believe. Yeah, and then we have our stove. This is a 30-inch stove right here, and we have our range hood right above. So that's also very good. Notice that the cylinder is hidden away. So facilities are actually in place to have your gas being, connected from elsewhere. So let's go over. We have a lot of counter spaces. So you can store away your food, store away your utensils. Organize, baby. Get to organizing, alright? Get to organizing your space. I like the light feel of this kitchen. It gives you modern, it gives you light, it gives you airy, it gives you welcoming. Yep. And that's something that is very good. So we have our door here that leads out to the back patio. So let me just carry it out here real quick. You see? People that are fruitful here, come here. These very tree. So guys, remember that we are actually at an active construction site. So we have our technician here working, getting his stuff done.
Getting the finishing done.
Getting the finishing touches done.
Because guys, this is not actually fully completed yet.
Yeah.
There are still some work that's being done. So the guys actually here corking the windows, right? Making sure that the owner of this one will come in and feel comfortable, guys.
Yeah.
Right? So as I said, there are a few doorknobs to be put in. There are a few baseboards around to be installed as well, and all them stuff there, guys. A little finishing touch here and there. Right? As you can see, this plug right here is not yet done. Right, but nonetheless, guys, it's the perfect opportunity, because if we wait till it's fully finished, guys, chances are it's sell off already.
Yes.
You know, because already most of the houses here are already sold out, guys.
So for the tiles on the floor, I want you guys to see this. You would have seen this in the carport and also on the front patio, that there are different designs. So we have a switch between our porcelain right here and our tiles right here. So I mean, I must say customizable, you know. Customize, baby. Customize away.
So we are back in the living area, guys, and immediately to my left here, when your back is facing the entrance door, you have the secondary bedroom, right? Quite spacious. As Kes had mentioned earlier, this is a 2,050 square foot dwelling, all right? So it's very, very, very spacious. So we're gonna look now at the secondary bedroom and the bath, and after that we're gonna go to the primary area over on the other side. But let's go. So here we are. As I mentioned earlier, guys, some baseboards are not yet fully installed. Like for example in this room, the baseboards are not done yet. But nonetheless, you can just have an appreciation of what the space will be like after the baseboards are done. Alright, so quite sizable. You can easily fit your king or queen size bed right here on your side table and dresser. Right? Yep, so second bedroom we can mark on nourishment. Alright, so for your kids, you know, they come in here. Alright, you also have your closet here, right, for the clothes. The clothes that come to pick up the linen and stuff like that. Right, a lot of storage. Lot of storage. Alright? Yes. Alright? You can see, you know, you have your stuff. It's not bad at all, right? And the doorknobs are not put in yet, guys.
So working on the finishing.
Yes.
We're appreciating all the work that we've done prior to.
Yes, important to know, guys. The paint color is, you know, you can customize that. So they have the houses painted as a pickup.
So here we have the bathroom.
Yes, bathroom area. Very, very, very sizable. And I really like the floor plan, the layout here. It gives the space a different feel from, you know, typical what you see around. Alright, so you have the toilet here, guys. You have the face, and of course you have the wet shower over here. Right? Very, very, very nice. Very modern. And guys, we really like how the accent tiles is used to complement this kind of creamish color tile that's on the wall, so it makes the design look that much more elegant. Alright? Yeah man, so we are now moving back on the outside. Here we go. Guys, the important feature of this development is the fact that you can customize the color. So basically, they have the houses in white. So then you can choose thereafter what color you want. So, you know, choice is yours. Alright, so in fact, before we go to the master, I'm going to show you the other bedroom over on this side. So this is another bathroom, can be shared with the living space. Alright, and yes, here you go. I mean, even for the third bathroom in the development, still very, very, very nice, still very spacious. We like the fixtures that we get. Alright, contemporary fixtures, you know, quite nice. And the theme of these accent tiles, you know, continues throughout the development, guys. So quite a lot to love. And here you have a closet. The closets at Norris are, you know, again, customizable. So they give you the basic and then you can dress it up however you like, and you can ask them to do that too if you wish. So now to the third bedroom. This is it. Alright, and again another closet. You have another closet here, and some more space up top to store your linen. Alright, so you know, a standard bedroom. There you go. Again, quite sizable. And the link to the development will be in the description, guys. So all details for the houses will be in the description as well. Alright, so just before we head to the main bedroom. Just want to tell you, for purchasing, the link for the development will be in the description, as well as there will also be a Google form. With that Google form, you use it and you basically choose the style you would want. That's where you go, and if you want a 5-bedroom or a 3-bedroom or a 4-bedroom or whichever lot, the options are there. Whichever kind of layout, whichever kind of design you want, that's also in that Google form. So links will be in the description, guys. Come on.
Okay guys, so this is the primary bedroom. So we enter the living room and dining room area through this door, and we have to the left the bathroom. Let me show you. Come. Go so back. Space. This
very
is
spacious.
Yeah, like you know them couple where one person use the bathroom and then I want to go. That's very weird. But if you like them from there, we can meet here. Weird, we can meet. Alright? So come on. So we have here a bathroom, our toilet, suitably placed below the mirror. Get all the funk out, and we have our double sink right here. Double sink because if I try to one time or something over one thing, no workout. So double sink for Mr. and Mrs. We have our space underneath here for storage. Ladies, you know you have to like this. Storage. I like the surface on these cabinetries because they're easy to clean. So I love the surface of this vanity. It is so easy to clean. That's why you're gone, you're done. Right? I love the two sinks right here. You can have the decorative pieces right here as well. Right? A very little pipe. And then you have your tub. So you have the tub where you're some for those people who like to sit and soak. You can soak away my love and get arms with like a it's not close. So you can become like a prune over here. So alright, this is the prune bay, okay?
The prune bay.
Get your prune over. Oh, and look at this. I like this. You can actually choose the temperature.
Oh, that's cool. That's
temperature right
cool.
here. Temperature right here. And I guess you can choose the flow right here. Cool.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
I have a little string that they can pull up. You know, some places you have to use your finger and literally try and pry it off. Yeah, this string. That nice. Right? So let's go to our shower enclosures. And this is kind of different. Let me step in.
Wow.
And you step up my baby. Now this is what I like. So this is the entire area is just dedicated to the primary bedroom. So you can leave this bathroom and walk naked all the way over here. So of course this is the other way after that. Like here. So you can walk with your naked self all the way over here to your closet. And the closet has no lights, so bear with us please. I'm opening back this door. Because it has no lighting. But can you appreciate the space in here? Yeah! Space nice. Space good. Yeah! So you can sit there on the chair, do your organization, get your things done, get your shoes them set up, your clothes them arranged by colors, if that's what you do. If it's a man, I don't want to make some party, it makes a little bad. But that's what we do. Alright?
Guys, that's what I would come. We move, right?
So this is the bedroom space. Our light fixtures, we have 3 windows, so you can maximize the light. And the windows are tinted windows, which is really nice as well. And you have another door. The door that you saw me come through earlier. You can probably open the door and you can probably put back the first foot here. I'll be open. Ta-da! So this door actually carries you back to the patio. So if you want to, you know, exit without anybody knowing, or if you want to enter at your own without going to the front, you can do it. Alright? So guys, come with us. Agent is gonna carry you outside and show you what outside is looking like. Now remember, we are on an active construction site. So it's not gonna look nice and pretty. It's in the process of becoming pretty. So see, so if you're going to wait until something is already pretty, it probably won't even be available. It's sold out, right? Because the other person would have seen the idea, would have seen the vision. They might have buying a long time. So remember when they are talking about St. Thomas? And you're gonna say about out. Because look here, I will come a long time. Housing development there. We know they're 30. A few for real. We know they're 30 now. We need to buy it now. Come.
Alright. As you guys can see behind me, there's another house being built right now. Already sold. Right? There are a few lots still available, guys. So, as I said, link will be in the description. Okay, some more details about this development. There'll be a swimming pool. There'll be a play field. Right? There'll be a gazebo, right? Area for recreation, kiddies play area. It will be filled with a lot of amenities, guys. So this is definitely something to buy into. There'll also be security cameras around the perimeter fencing. All right? It will be perfect, guys. So you can definitely take this one into consideration, guys. It's definitely one to look into.
It's a small, intimate community, D-Squad.
Yes.
Small, intimate. Oh, you subscribe it? Subscribe to me now.
Subscribe. Guys.
Yes. Guys, subscribe. What you wait for? Come on, guys.
18 units, guys. Very, very intimate here in Yallas, St. Thomas. Very, very, not even Yallas, poor man's corner. Before you reach Yallas, all right? Very intimate, guys. There are also other nice developments around. So this is like a suburban area, right? You get a little bit
area.
of the
Up and coming area.
Yes, definitely. You get a little bit of the country feel with a little more of a urban kind of vibe. You know, so Norris Meadows, perfect, guys.
Yo, guys, do you like this D-Squad? We are looking to see our subscriber count increase, alright? So if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe. If you watch our content, if you like our content, we need your subscription. It helps us, alright? So subscribe. Road to 50K, be on that road, alright? Guys, hit the post notification bell. The one with the dancing symbols at the side, so you know every time we post a video. Alright, give this video a thumbs up. Been to watch all of our other content, D-Squad.